roles or responsibilities. There might be manufacturing department, there will be a HR department, there will be finance department. So people in these departments have their own line of line of operation. They would have their own managers who all belong to the same department. But then in a project-based organization, which is the extreme other side, you would have a mix of people and they will all be linked by the project. So in the functional based organization, if you had departments and projects would be done, when there's a project, people from different departments would be involved, and there will be this line of hierarchy wherein if you have to allocate work, you should go through their manager. In case of project based organization, people get together for the sake of the project. So the project is what binds them. There is no hierarchy in this. It is important to facilitate the project's work rather than thinking about hierarchies here. So that's where the project based organization is different from a functional organization. The matrix organization falls between these two. So we'll get into detail in the further chapters, but project based organizations are project focused. Here hierarchy doesn't have much place and do not have strong functional hierarchies. Yeah, they do not have hierarchies, but the project has to say. They form and dissolve teams based on the project needs. So for one project there might be team members A, B, C. So after this project is done, they go to their base and they probably will join different projects. So project B will have CBD now. So totally different resources. So people join and dissolve just for the sake of the project. Okay. Organizational strategy provides guidance to project management since the vision comes top down. So strategy is the senior level, is the to strategize something or come up with a strategy. When you talk about the word strategy, it means senior level management. The senior level management decides the strategy, how this business would progress, what is our vision, what is our goal for the business as such. So it's about the business that's being talked about at the strategy level. Then comes the middle level where you have the program and all that, where whose vision is to convert the strategy into a program. Okay, and the first level is projects who make this vision operational. So that's where the project managers come into picture. So organizational strategy provides guidance to project management since the vision comes top down. So when you take up a project, it's the decision of the senior management and the strategy that's what drives to take up that project. So you always have to keep the vision in mind when you're executing the project. So that's where the vision is driven in terms of the project charter. There's a project charter document, so that has the business need, business case, which drives towards the business the vision or the strategy. So organizational strategy provides guidance to project management since the vision comes top down. Senior management identifies potential conflicts between project goals and organizational strategy. Yeah, if there are two projects which have some conflicting interest. So it's the role of the senior management to sort this out and ensure which one gains more priority. Projects must be aligned to the organization's strategic objective in order to maximize success. Yeah, so strategy, if you're having 10 projects in 10 different areas, then that is what the management probably is looking at, growing in 10 different areas. And if you want to maximize your share in a particular market, then they probably will go about taking 10 projects in the same area. So these are all some of the examples, and there are various such examples. So idea is the strategy is decided by the senior management, and that's what supports getting a project as well as driving a project and enabling the project managers. Business value is the sum of tangible and intangible assets. So this is one statement that we probably need to remember. All projects try to maximize business